I'll tell you that I've never been more proud to be a Hawkeye fan than right now. This is the most proud I've ever been to follow Iowa athletics. I think when we think about what makes us proud, you think about not just good athletes, but good people. And for a long time, since Fran's been here, this program, specifically the basketball program, has built people before they've built basketball players. And I know that so many of you have been a big part of that. And so it makes you proud as somebody who's from around here. You want to be connected to a program that is growing people first and growing the basketball players second. With that, I'm going to invite out my friend David Nusre.
Appreciate it, man. Who are you? Basketball is taken away. Your identity is not basketball. Who are you? Your highlight reel. What is your highlight reel? Can you watch that daily? Can you visually watch it daily? I've been able to be around Kobe and MJ's, their mental coach, and learn from him. And one thing that they did before every game, they watched the whole game before it happened. They watched the whole game, everything that they were going to do. You guys might have heard that before, but they also watched it from a perspective where something crazy went on in the game, because the game never goes the way you expect it to. So they knew that they would be able to react when anything crazy came. So practice that, the highlight reel. Think about what your cue word can be. What's your process? What do you do better than anybody else in here? And do that. Do that to your best of ability. And then wave your towel. Wave your towel in any situation that you're in. Because no matter if you're in the bench, like, that's going to bring the energy to everybody out there. And that's the way to be uncommon. So that's the way to step on the floor, and no matter who you're going against, you put the fear into Pat Beverly's eyes, and he doesn't put it into you. Thank you guys very much.